Today I visited this Vivekananda hospital where a couple of days back there was a murder in the Veerapura village of Hubli Taluk. So now the family members of that family is admitted in this hospital, and I visited the family and those who are admitted in this hospital. See, out of 8 people, one is admitted in the ICU. So that patient is also medically stable now, but further monitoring is going on in the ICU. Yesterday, one more patient was in ICU, and now subsequently, based on the improvement in the health, that patient has been shifted from ICU to the normal ward. So we have come along with the concerned officials, and our social welfare department is also in constant touch with the people and the patients, and we have also deputed the officers in this hospital to be in touch and also to give strength to the family. And whatever compensation to be given under SC/ST Atrocity Act, that compensation has also been released to the beneficiaries. And further, the medical expenses incurred in this regard will be totally borne by the social welfare department. So all the necessary support for the family will be extended by the district administration. So further, such kind of incidents should be avoided, so that proactive action is required. So those proactive action from the concerned department as well as the district administration will be done in the subsequent days to avoid such incidents in the district.
Or visit a village or directly to
Now, once these family is cured, no, along with them only we can go to the village, and then we can build confidence to them. So we are also watching, monitoring the situation, and the police department has done full bandobast in the village also. Definitely I will visit the village also at the appropriate family. First of all, our priority is that to cure these people who are admitted in the hospital, and once they are cured, we will build confidence among them, and we will take them also along to the village so that they can have a peaceful life, and such incidents should be avoided. That is the main motto of the district
how much
administration.
has given compensation to us?
Totally as per the SC/ST Atrocity Act. So now we have released 5 lakh rupee compensation to 8 people. No, no, entirely, because based on the injuries. So further, once charge sheet is done, remaining amount also will be released as per the norms.
Ma'am, there is a complaint saying that no officials visited the...
See, our officials we have deployed, and I have also inquired with the doctors there. So our officials are there since the event has happened. So one assistant director level officer has been deployed here,